Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. First, make sure that the Google Drive application is installed on your computer. Without the Google Drive desktop app, you will not be able to connect Obsidian with Google Drive properly. If you have not installed it yet, download and install the application before continuing. Once the installation is complete, open Google Drive and sign in to your Google account if you have not already done that. After signing in, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. From the left side menu, locate and open the Google Drive directory. Inside the Google Drive directory, open the folder called My Drive. Now create a new folder inside My Drive. Name this folder Obsidian. This folder will store all of your Obsidian notes and automatically sync them with your Google Drive account. Next, open the Obsidian application on your computer. If you are already logged in and inside the app, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your vault name. A small menu will appear. From there, select Manage Vaults. Inside the Manage Vaults section, choose the option that says Open Folder as Vault. Now navigate to the folder you created earlier inside the My Drive folder in your Google Drive directory. Select the Obsidian folder and confirm your choice. Obsidian will now open that folder as your main vault. From this point forward, any notes you create or edit in Obsidian will automatically save and back up to your Google Drive. Thanks for watching.